GATE 2020 Civil Engineering Set 2 Question 9. The traffic starts discharging from an approach at an intersection with the signal turning green. The constant headway considered from the fourth or fifth headway position is referred to as. Four options are given: discharge headway, effective headway, intersection headway, and saturation headway. The relevant NPTEL reference has been cited. Coming to the useful data, so one needs to know about the concept of headway in order to solve this problem. So headway is nothing but, if we consider a road and make an observer stand here and he can observe the passing vehicles. So once he observes this vehicle to pass by, so let us consider the observer is at this position XX and here a vehicle passes by. So let us say the vehicle passes at time t1, and then a vehicle that was coming from the back of this vehicle, it passes at time t2. So the difference of time between the passage of these two vehicles, that is t2 minus t1, will give the headway. Headway is generally indicated by the letters H. So headway is the time gap between passage of two vehicles. Coming to the solution, here we consider an approach to a intersection. So let us say it is an intersection and say we are considering this approach. For the sake of simplicity, let us consider only single lane traffic. So let us say there are some 6 vehicles and here it is the signal. So once the signal turns green, all these vehicles can start moving from the stop line. So if we plot the headways, we will observe that the first vehicle, it will need a large amount of time to move because he will need to wait for the signal to turn green. His vehicle will be at a stop condition, so he needs to move his foot from the brake to accelerator, change the gears, accelerate. So there will be a significant amount of time that will be consumed for the first vehicle. But for the second vehicle, if we see, the time would not be so much. He will see the first vehicle start moving and then he can react accordingly. So he will need a little bit of lesser time. Similarly, for the third vehicle, he will need lesser time. What happens once we reach around 4 or 5 vehicles is, so if we indicate this by vehicle position, that is I, so what happens, so let us say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6. So once we reach the 4th or 5th vehicle, they need almost the same headways to react to the moving traffic. They do not need any additional time because they can see that the front 3 or 4 vehicles have started moving. So the vehicles at the back from the 4th or 5th position, they don't need a large amount of time to react. So they can almost react with a constant headway which is saturated at a certain level. So this is known as the saturated headway, generally indicated by the letter H. So if a signal has turned green, the headway from the 4th or 5th vehicle onwards saturates at a certain level which is generally lower compared to the headway used by the initial vehicles. So as we saw, the constant headway considered from the 4th or 5th position is known as the saturation headway, that is option D. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed.